Hello guys, it's YongBae here, and today what we're going to do is to take a look at this RODE VideoMicro microphone. It's a compact on-camera microphone, and we are going to unbox this little thing. We'll do a little microphone setup, try it on my camera, test it. I'm gonna give you my first impression about it. So if you want to unbox this little thing and hear my impression about this microphone, don't go away. And so we are back, guys, and I still have here the RODE VideoMicro microphone. Again, this is a compact on-camera microphone. Before we open the box, let's check out the box first. It has the name of the microphone over here at the top and the photo of the microphone. On the side, it says here that this has a 2-year warranty, and there is no battery required for this microphone to actually work. And it says here it's compact size, and there is a Rycote Lyre suspension mount included in this package. And on the other side, it has the photo of the microphone with the windshield, or dead cat as they call it, which is also included in this package. And at the back, of course, it has more writings about the microphone. But let's move on to the unboxing of this little thing. So when we open the box, it has a hard plastic casing where all the stuff are in. So it has this silica gel. This is very important for our stuff because it prevents moisture from coming into your stuff. It also has a patch cable, of course. We need this one as well. And it has a VideoMicro quick start guide. Also, it has this little thingy, and I think this is the Rycote Lyre suspension mount, and has the camera shoe mount at the bottom of this little thing. The most important stuff inside the box are these two, because I need to take it off from the mic. This one is the windshield, or what we call the dead cat, and the other one is the microphone. Let's start checking out this microphone, and my first impression about this mic, this one is an all aluminum metal build microphone. It looks very sturdy, it looks very nice. It has a ceramic black coating all over the microphone. This one is a cardioid polar pattern microphone, which makes it a good to high quality condenser microphone cap. I think it's around 3 inches long and is very light and very compact. So aside from this one, we also have this quick start guide. You can register online and you will get a 2-year warranty. And of course, this paper here has the initial setup for the microphone. The mounting options are also here, and some instructions on how to set up this microphone for camera use. Okay, the next one is this Rycote Lyre suspension mount, where we will install the microphone. And it has a standard cold shoe mount at the bottom of this suspension mount. And moving on, we have this cables still in the plastic. The cables are twisted wires, which could give us additional length if it's necessary. It's very flexible and a little stretchy. So right now, we are going to install this RODE VideoMicro microphone into this Rycote suspension mount. And I guess we only need to push the microphone back towards this space. There you go, and just push it until it reaches a guide over here. So what we're gonna do next is to connect this wire. This one side of the wire has to be connected here at this port of the microphone, and of course the other side would go into the camera. And now I think we need to install this windshield into the microphone. I think this would be awesome to use for mirrorless cameras, or even smartphones, or even your DSLRs. It's very light, very compact. This is perfect for small cameras. And with the Rycote Lyre suspension, you could expect a great performance from this microphone. We are going to install now this RODE VideoMicro microphone into the camera and check out how this microphone make the performance of the sound recording better. Let's try to connect the RODE VideoMicro microphone into the Canon EOS M6 and check out what would be the difference. Right now I have installed or connected the RODE VideoMicro microphone into the Canon EOS M6 with the windshield attached to the microphone. And by the way, I put the sound recording settings into manual and raised the gain or the volume of the sound recording to maximum. So this is how I sound now with the RODE VideoMicro microphone installed into the camera. Right now I am recording this video with the RODE VideoMicro microphone installed into the camera, but without the windshield or the dead cat. Right now I am recording this video. I'm beside the fan, so the wind is actually towards the camera and there is no microphone attached right now. I am recording this and using the built-in microphone of the Canon EOS M6. Now I am recording this video with the RODE VideoMicro microphone attached to the camera, but without the windshield. Again, I'm still beside the fan and the wind is going towards the microphone and the camera. Now I am recording this video with the windshield attached to the microphone and the RODE VideoMicro microphone is connected to the Canon EOS M6, and we will find out later if the windshield actually helps minimize the wind that is coming from the fan going towards the camera and the microphone. So there you go guys, we have noticed a big difference with the quality of the sound being recorded by the camera if this RODE VideoMicro microphone is attached to it. I believe that this is really a nice on-camera microphone. It's very compact, it's very light, and it's very useful and very handy if you are traveling and you are outdoors and if it's windy. I am happy to buy this microphone and would be able to use it in my future travels and in my future vlogs, and hopefully I would also be able to do an in-depth review of this microphone and in-depth vlog test of this microphone in the near future. And if you want to see that, you have to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, if you learned something from this video, I hope you guys hit the thumbs up button, and I hope you share this video to your friends as well who are actually looking for microphones that they can use for vlogging. This is YongBaeTV and thank you for watching. Bye!